Hey, future chefs and culinary enthusiasts. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's as essential to cooking as a chef's knife. Salt, and not just any salt. We're talking about the transformative power of this humble ingredient in your culinary creations. Let me tell you, salt isn't just about making your food salty. No, it's way more magical than that. When you season your dish with just the right amount of salt, something extraordinary happens. It enhances the flavors, making every ingredient in your dish stand out. Ever wondered why your tomatoes taste so much sweeter with a pinch of salt? That's salt for you, working its magic. But wait, there's more. Salt doesn't just play with flavors, it also affects textures. Ever noticed how a little salt can change the texture of meats, or how it can crisp up the skin of a roast chicken? That's because salt is a bit of a wizard when it comes to moisture control. It draws out moisture from proteins, enhancing texture and flavor concentration. And here's where it gets really sciencey. Salt influences chemical reactions in food. For instance, it can help speed up the Maillard reaction. You know, that chemical reaction between amino acids and reducing sugars that gives brown food its distinctive flavor. Yep, salt helps make that happen more efficiently. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember this. Salt is your secret weapon. Use it wisely and watch as it transforms your dishes from good to great, maybe even to gourmet. Experiment with different types from flaky sea salt to pink Himalayan, and see how each one changes your culinary creations. Thanks for tuning in. Keep cooking, keep experimenting, and most importantly, keep learning. Catch you all in the next video, where we'll uncover another secret ingredient that could revolutionize your cooking. Until then, happy seasoning.